Hello kids. Now let us deal with our literature reader unit 3 poem Rain on the Roof. Rain on the Roof, it is composed by Coates Kinney. Let us see what is there in this poem by going through before you read section. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Read the poem to find out what the poet dreamt of while listening to the rain. So this is a poem which is related to the nature. Simultaneously, it is also related to your old thoughts or your old memories. Okay, here poet is relating the nature to his memories. He is becoming nostalgic of his childhood memories when he used to spend those days with his mother. Rain in this poem is playing an important character because rain is the only element which takes him into his old days of his childhood and towards his mother. Now his mother is no more. He is not is not having his mother with him. Okay, she is dead, but this rain has taken him to his mother into her laps. So this is how the poem is related to the nature, as well as it is related to the memories, the old memories of the poet. In the same way, the poet is asking us that we also feel nostalgic when we look at the rain, when it's new, a fresh rain has started. Okay, when the rain start pattering on the roof, while listening to those to that sound, pattering sound, we feel nostalgic. We go back into our memories and we remember certain things. So this is how rain is very important for us. So how the poet goes back to his mother in his memories, let us learn through this poem. Rain on the Roof, composed by Coates Kinney. I'll recite this poem first for you and then I'll explain. Before that, let's see the meaning, glossary. Tinkle. Tinkle means short, light ringing sounds. Shingles. Shingles means a rectangular wooden tiles used as roofs. You must have seen these shingles. Okay. Woof means a weft, that is the threads woven across the loom. But here woof means the poet is trying to weave the air thread of his memories. Air means it's an old poetic word which means before. Now we use this word before, but in the old English form it was air. Refrain, a repeated part of a song or a poem. Refrain means when certain lines of poem or songs, when they are repeated, we call it refrain. But here refrain means the sound of the rain. The sound of the rain which is continuously falling on the roof, the sound is repeating. So refrain. List means, again, old poetic word means listen. Now I'll recite this poem for you and then we'll go stanza by stanza. Rain on the Roof, written by or composed by Coates Kinney. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. And 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me, as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain.